Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying account basics and connectivity. This gets most blockers out of the way. Sign into Apple. Com to confirm your Apple ID and trusted contacts, and make sure your device is running the latest supported OS. Once done, open Settings and check iCloud storage. Free up or upgrade if you're near capacity. Now, enable Wi-Fi and confirm time, date, and region are correct. These small items prevent sync failures, so address them before moving to deeper fixes. Next, you target the sync mechanisms and app-specific problems that often cause iCloud errors. Force close the apps showing issues, reopen them, and initiate a manual sync or upload. This isolates app-level failures. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud on the device, perform a full restart, and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and permissions. Also, inspect iCloud. Com from a browser to confirm whether data exists server-side. If it does, you know the issue is device or network-related. Finish by applying system updates and refreshing network settings to eliminate lingering protocol or certificate errors. Reset network settings if uploads still fail, then try a small file sync to validate. If you need to restore, enable iCloud Backup now to preserve current state so you can roll back safely. Finally, if the issue continues, collect error messages, device serial number, and timestamps, and contact Apple support. One troubleshooting tip: try a different network or hotspot. Network-level filtering often blocks iCloud traffic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.